I was so inspired by the man from Iran and what he had to say about life. I was so inspired that I forgot the very words to the song that I wrote, so I'd like to sing it for you now. How did you get to be a guru? How did you get to be so wise? Did it snap and come to you? Or was it slow, soul passed through eyes? So tell me, how did you learn to do the dance? How did you come to let it go? Teach me, I wanna be one. Bid the ego hidey-ho. So tell me, how do I get to be a guru? Om Namah Benji Guru Padma Siddhi Ha. Just be.